Okay, we're about to take the chicken out and the shrimp out. And I did put a little jerk on one. And the other one I put a little honey. Because like I want a little sweet, little spice. So I got me some rice here. A little salad. And we're going to take it out. And it's just real simple. You know, like if you kind of get tired or feeling like you're eating the same thing over and over, you can kind of like spice it up. So you can see I put a little jerk on this one. A little honey on this one. And of course I cook more, but I'm not going to eat all that at one time. And on two of the shrimps, I got a little jerk. And on the other one, yeah. So now, famous, the easiest way to clean your air fryer. Put the dishwashing liquid in here. Fill it up with water. And put it back in the air fryer. And let it cook. And then instead of have to do all that scrubbing, especially when you like have honey and all that type of stuff in there. I have to call it that. So especially when you put honey and all that type of stuff in there. So if you could see, this is what I'm going to have today. And simple, easy. Y'all can see. Let me do it up this way. That's what it looks like. That's what I'm going to have today. So I try to bring just easy, quick, simple stuff. You just get your chicken breast, clean it, cut it up, marinate it with whatever sauces you want. To get the sis kebab. And y'all forgive me for how I talk. Y'all know I don't. Yeah. Get the sis kebab. And I put a little jerk on here to make this one a little spicy. And this one, a little teriyaki honey. Okay. I got my salad with a little blue cheese, vinaigrette raspberry, and I got a little rice. And yeah, so this is what I'm going to have. So something real quick, easy, simple. So if you want to just start doing stuff, you're tired of going to the restaurants and eating everything, and you want to start, you know, putting together stuff. These are simple, easy, fast recipes in not the microwave, the air fryer, a 20-minute recipe. And, you know, the 5-minute rice and, you know, just real simple stuff. So I hope that you guys like this easy, simple recipe. And I'll see you guys again in another video. So thank you guys for being kind, for being here. I appreciate y'all so much. And honestly, I'm not even hungry at this moment. If y'all know, I pre-do a lot of my stuff and I'll eat it later. So at this particular moment, I'm not hungry. But this is what I will have. I shouldn't have put the stuff on the salad. So I probably got to eat that now because the lettuce will whizzle away. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Simple, easy recipes. Toodles.